years old and unbending, still in your place, better seen and